Yep. Are we live? Okay, cool. Anyways, my boys, man, welcome back to another video. So, I'm excited for these 34 subs. The previous video we were at 14. So that means we gained literally 20 subscribers, bro, in one day. That's crazy. Using one video. Yeah, man. Thank you guys. If you're one of these guys, just know you're a real one, bro. Anyways, let's get it. So, I'm just gonna tell you guys my progress, right? For the new day, right? This is a new day, so we're working on this stuff every single day, right? We're working on my SaaS for uploading beats, as you guys know. So, I was actually working on the pricing page, right? So this is the page that I was working on, and that's the design that I came up with. Actually, bro, what's funny about me? I don't know if you guys can relate to this, right? But I basically don't design my stuff. Like literally, I just code it out. Like just try. If it fails, I change. You get? It's just like I don't know how I do it, but I did it. So yeah, so we added a functionality to if you click on annually, it changes the pricing to annually. You can see the pricing is like $20 or $24 per year for the starter package and or the starter tier, and then the semi pro we go for like $60 a year, and then for the professional we're going for 180, right? $180 a year. So yeah, you can just toggle between these two, and as you guys can see, right, this is just static. This one right here is static. I don't really want it to be like clickables or anything, because are you really gonna be bothered about this? It's just a design thing. I just like the way it has green and it matches with the aesthetic, the green and neutral color that I'm going for, color scheme or color, whatever you call it. So the only interesting thing I added was something called toast, right? It's from Sona. As you guys can see, if you come to this toaster, it's just like it adds some visual effect. Like once you put this, you purchase the starter tier, and when you click, you purchase the semi pro tier, and yeah, you purchase the professional tier. So it actually just takes it actually, if I show you guys the code, right, it's not very hard. It's just on the, I think it's no, not components. Where, bro? Hold on. I think it's library. Yep. I think it's purchase button. Yep. So it's on the purchase button. As you guys can see, you just have to import the Sona, right? Import Toast from Sona. If you're using Next.js just like me, you gotta go to like layout, and then you can just put it right here, just right below the children, and then yeah, you can have it like you can call it from anywhere in your in your website or in your folder, anywhere that you want it. Okay, so this is just the position. Bottom left, you can change it to like right or top right, whatever. And then rich colors, true, it just gives it the color that we have here. If we click this, boom, it just gives it that color. So that's just a simple thing that I added. It just adds a little bit of that professional touch to your website. You get to your functionality. You get it. Just like it helps the users have that good experience when they're on your website. So once you click, it shows them something. Yeah. So I'm gonna stick to that. And as you guys can see here, I took this tier from, I think this tier came from, hold on, man, it's hard to really get these things together because man, they're kind of confusing now. So I took them from the, I think the pricing page. Yep. Not the pricing page, so I think from the cards, and then yeah, the pricing card. So from here, the button is on the purchase button, right? And then I took this tier as a prop so that I could take the plan, right? The plan or title, that's the one that's coming from these pricing data, the tiers, right? So is actually getting the title from here, and then is using the title inside the purchase button. So when we bring it here as a prop, right, that means we gotta put this like this as a, we call it as a prop, and we gotta give a type of that prop. The type of that prop is a string. So And then this is the main thing. The toast thing is just on click. You just have to put an on click in any button, and then you say toast the success. You purchase the, and then you just include the specific tier, so that if we click on purchase, it will give us the name of this, the title of our specific tier, and this, yeah. And everything here is just like things that are added, that I just place inside my pricing data, just right here. You get most of the things, because these are the things that I'll be using in my website. Let's say I want to add anything, I want to change anything, I can just change it from here. Let's say beginner, right? And then it will just change from my website. I don't have to delete and spoil the rest of the things, right? And this yellow squiggly line, it just shows GitHub, that I mean the yeah, I think it's Git. Yes, it's just showing you that Git is seeing what is actually noticing the files that you're changing, so it's actually moving with you. So yeah, I think that's basically it when it comes to what I was working on, like throughout I think the other day, yeah, just a day ago. That's what I was working on. And for today, I actually want to complete. I want to complete when I click this, I add something inside my card or something like that. Basic functionality. And also, I'll just copy these cards and just change a little bit of something, because drum kits are almost like beats, right? But drum kits will just be like folders, right, that have either drum kits as usual, or they can just have sample packs, right? Sample packs, if you're a music producer, sample packs is just like sounds without drums, right? And then drum kits are drum sounds without just the normal loops. I don't know if you get it, but yeah. And then the upload page, I haven't yet completed it, but that's what I'm working on. So here's just going to be a drag and drop thing, where you can drag and drop your file, right? You drop it on here, or you can just click, and then it gives you like your file system, or file for, or your the folder of your system, so that you can select where your WAV file or MP3 or PNG, right? Any that you please. And then this is going to be the metadata. I don't want to make this beat specific, because if I put beat metadata, that means it's just going to be for the beat. But I would love to leave it as metadata. Matter of fact, let me do it right now. I think it's on the upload page. Yep, it's on the upload page. This one, I'm just going to keep it as metadata, right? Just going to keep it as metadata, so that it can, if we have a beat, if we upload here and it's a beat, we are gonna upload it, and we're gonna have a metadata for the beat here, right? And if we upload drum kits, if we're uploading drum kits, it will also dynamically change to the form for the drum kits, right? I will try to see or find a way to fix that, or to make it work. So that's basically it, for the stuff that I've been working on. It is a front end part, right? So yeah, this part, I think the pricing plan or the pricing page is done, right? It's done. I'm only left with the functionality, like for the backend, like actual having the actual payment. That's something that I'm gonna do on a later, like the day when I want to make the website live. So that's the last thing that I'll be working on, the pricing thing. But for now, I can just be handling these ones, the design part, and yeah, that's basically it, my boys. So, with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching, man. I think it's gonna be a short video for today, because I was just showcasing what I've been working on and what I'm learning in the process. I'm learning a lot actually making this project. So yeah, man, I'll be thankful if you guys show some support and love, just like you guys been showing. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and yeah, see you guys when I see you guys. Let's see. Oh, 9 minutes is not that short, anyways.